Hart-Simmons has an effective process to develop an online course that effectively connects the instructor to the student to each other, the student to engaging content, and the student to a relationship with our creator. The course design process starts with the subject matter expert, you, and the instructional designer, working closely together to initiate the course design worksheet and course development process. The first task is the development of a course learning outcome. The course learning outcome is identified when we determine how the student will be changed, how the student will be different as a result of their experience in this course. Once the learning outcome of the course is determined, it guides the learning activities in the course, all the readings, the media, the assignments, the assessment, the technologies, and the teacher interventions. All these then are geared toward the achievement of the learning outcomes. The course learning outcome has been determined, and the learning objectives and outcomes in each module guide the learner towards the accomplishment of the outcomes. Bloom's taxonomy is something that we use as we develop outcomes to ensure that the learner is progressing towards higher order thinking, higher order activities, and higher order outcomes. Once the course is fully developed and completed, we call this a master course. It's a finished course that's consistent, it's scalable, it represents a course to SACS, our accrediting agency, as is described in the course undergraduate and graduate level course manuals, and it adheres to universal design principles and is fully accessible. Then, the subject matter expert, the instructional design team, and myself meet to do a quality matters review on the course prior to launch in the semester. Any last-minute changes are made, and then thumbs up, the course is ready to go. Now, as the course progresses throughout the semester, there may be some micro changes that are needed, and we ask that that is done in cooperation with our instructional design team. So if a change such as a typo or something that can be forecasted that will improve the quality experience for the student is identified, our instructional design team and the subject matter expert can determine to make that change. And then a record of that change will be made for the master course so that it carries through when it is copied in the future. Now, any unpublished, we have an unpublished folder that we'll put in each course, kind of a what to do next time. So that once the course is developed and ready to run, we want a consistent product, the course that was developed, to be run for that semester. And like we said, we realize there may be micro changes that need to be made along the way, but we want everybody to be aware of those changes so we can continue with our consistent, scalable process. Once the course is over, we'll get feedback from the students, and we'll kind of circle back and talk about what we might want to do better or change for next time. We have an effective process. In review, our course is designed by the content team, subject matter expert, and the instructional design team. The course undergoes a quality matters rubric check with the director, myself, our instructional design team, and our subject matter expert. The course is copied to a master, and the course goes live. We receive feedback from the students and the professor, and then we revise and rerun the course. This is an effective process, and we look forward to working together with you to complete this process for your online course.